Hello friends, today we will be going to talk about OmniStudio settings in Salesforce OmniStudio new standard designer org. So to configure OmniStudio in Salesforce, you primarily use the OmniStudio settings page in setup to manage product-wise behaviors like metadata support and runtime performances. So let's get started with those OmniStudio settings, and I'll just click on this gear icon to go to the setup, and from the quick find we just need to search for OmniStudio settings. So under this Omni interaction we can find this OmniStudio settings, and we see few of the features are being turned off by default, right? So these are the like OmniStudio metadata, enhanced runtime performances, deploy custom lightning web components in standard runtime, then OmniStudio SLDS 2, then finally Omni global auto number. So basically, OmniStudio metadata is like to deploy or retrieve OmniStudio standard objects through the metadata and tooling API. So it's basically enable. So whenever we are enabling this to deploy and retrieve standard OmniStudio objects like OmniScripts, FlexCard, those are the standard objects, not from the OmniStudio for Velocity package, like, right? Not from the managed package ones. These are the on top of standard objects. So using this Salesforce metadata API. So if so one constant is like if the existing component unique names contain spaces or special characters, the settings can't be enabled. So this configuration needs some prerequisite we need to check, like if the existing components contains those spaces or special character, we can't enable this OmniStudio metadata settings. And after enabling this one we can't disable it. So we can disable it by creating a Salesforce case through that way, but we can't deactivate right away, right? So let me just enable this one. So it will just ask, it will just providing a pop-up like you can't disable the setting after you enable it. I'll just click on turn on. So the request is being processed. If the org validation failures, we'll be reverting these settings, right? So so this is how we can simply enable this metadata API, and after enabling this it will take some time to be enabled. So after enabling we can find this one like toggle is on, we can find. And then enhanced runtime performances is to improve runtime performance of OmniStudio components. OmniStudio components means those FlexCard, OmniScript, data mappers, then integration procedures. We can make those runtime performances increase by turning on these settings. These settings enable direct communication between OmniStudio and Salesforce platform instead of through Apex calls. So before you turn on these settings in production environment, it is best practice to use like test in production like sandbox environment. So I also enable this one, and deploy custom web components in runtime, in standard runtime. So there is another feature, so deploy custom web components in standard runtime. So if you use the OmniStudio for Velocity managed package runtime, and then turn it off. So if your org, so in your org, if the Velocity package is installed, like Velocity insurance or Velocity CMT package is installed, this needs to be turned off. But if you have the like standard designer, then you can just enable this one, like to to use those lightning web components with a standard runtime wrapper, right? So after migration from OmniStudio for Velocity to OmniStudio standard, we recommend using only standard runtime components. So I don't have this Velocity package managed package installed in my org, in this org. So I can just simply enable this one as well, like to deploy custom lightning web components in standard runtime. And then we have OmniStudio SLDS 2 to use OmniStudio Salesforce Lightning Designing System 2 theme for enhanced design and navigation during runtime. We can also enable this one, but there is already a feature available in Salesforce, like from the setup you can find, from the quick find you can just simply search for themes and branding, And in here you can see like Salesforce Cosmos, this is on top of SLDS2, is already activated in my org. So in this way you can also enable the themes like for SLDS2, right? So I have dedicated one video like how these are the difference between these SLDS2 or without this SLDS, only normal SLDS. So one video is there, I already created. Please do check it out. I'll be adding that tutorial link in this video description as well. And finally we have this Omni Global Auto Number. So turn on Omni Global Auto Number for OmniStudio. This feature allows you to generate sequential numbers based on the configurations when you use global auto number function in data mappers or integration procedures. So when we'll be using this method, then it will be helpful, like it will just sequentially provide those generate sequential numbers based on your configurations. When we'll be using this global auto number method, I'll be activating this as well. So let me just refresh this one to check OmniStudio metadata it got enabled or not, and we can see this got enabled, and we can see that we can't disable this one furthermore, right? So this is how, but we can disable these enhanced runtime performances or deploy custom metadata, custom LWC in standard runtime as well, and OmniStudio SLDS2. These three we can disable, but these two like OmniStudio metadata and Omni Global Auto Number we can't disable, right?